Hello there, welcome back to another episode of Suffered and Cyprus channel. Today we have both our Scorpius Rex out here. They're both from Dino Escape, I believe. This is the classic one. This one doesn't have a sound right here. There's the DNA scan. So this one doesn't have a feature, no buttons or anything at all. I believe this one came with the Gyrosphere with Kenji back then. Look, you can see the teeth all fading now. Whoop. Wait, yeah, there you go. Some scratches due to worn out. It's been worn out. And the other Scorpius Rex here came alone. I painted some blue back then. This one has a sound. It moves. The mouth moves. Has sound. And what else? And there's another button here actually for the arms. There we go. So that's what it does. There you go. There's some quills on the tail. And also has some large talons in it. Alright, we brought this out because of the new Ultimate Damage Scorpius Rex. Here we go, guys. A brand new line. I think there's only two though. The Scorpius Rex and the Indoraptor. So the Indoraptor, I don't think I'm gonna grab that because it looks exactly the same as the Dino trackers. Okay, so here we are, and this is the Epic Attack Spinosaurus. I don't know why it's here. It's an epic attack, but this one's called Ultimate Damage. So here's the Ultimate Damage Dino Track. I mean Indoraptor. Sorry. Okay. So there's actually only two. So let's check it out. There you have it. New line, Ultimate Damage. It's obviously from Walmart again because of the damage symbol. That's the sign. Let's take it out. It just got here today. Uh-oh, it's still stuck down there. Alright guys, here we go. It has a new color. This is way better. It has a grayish on its lower jaw and on the chest right there. Nice color. Let's push it again. That's the first. Oh wow. There you go. Look at the light on that. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, light on the other side. No, nothing on the other side. Nothing here. No, it doesn't light up here. None, just on the right here. Alright. So the weird part is there's no buttons to make the mouth move. So you only have to push it down. See, it doesn't have sound. There you go. And let's check the DNA scan. Let's compare to the older Indoraptors. Okay guys, how do you make the stand? There you have it. Okay, so the difference is it has quills on the head now. See that? Look at that. This one doesn't have it. So it's a different kind of Scorpius Rex again. The bigger one. At least this one can move its arms. So I think this one looks better, has quills on it. The teeth looks better. It's all made of rubber. So that's way better. Definitely different color. Gray compared to this. Has like a brownish, yellowish on this guy. Larger talons. And it looks like it has double spikes on it. Oh yeah, so this one has two as well. I didn't even notice that. I see. How about the other one? Oh yeah, wow, I didn't even notice that just today. Okay, so yeah. So this color is way better now. I like this better. Tail doesn't move either. So that's the only downfall. You have to push the head down. There's no buttons to pull it down. Or, no, it doesn't work like that. So the elbows as well has quills. That's crazy. This one's not really on the elbow. Same as the other one. Yeah, it's right there. I see. So this one's kind of different now. There's no articulation on the hands. Or the wrist does not articulate. No, definitely not. There's no thumbs. I see. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. Our brand new Scorpius Rex. Yeah. So it is medium. It's like a, so this, the Dino Escape is still bigger, and the other Dino Escape is a little smaller now, or the same. Is it the same? Oh no, the length is shorter. So this one is the medium, the ultimate damage. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good evening.